Hi and welcome back. In this video, I would like to share with you a weight loss recipe. It's an air fried broccoli recipe. One of the easy ways to lose weight is to have a light dinner or a low calorie dinner. And for that, I usually have baked vegetables for dinner. Here I have a broccoli head and a couple of carrots. I also have few spices that I'll be using. And if you don't have any of these fancy spices, that's all right. You can just use regular salt and pepper. I want to use very less oil, so I'm gonna use this canola spray, and I'll be using my basket to fry my vegetables. So the first thing is to spray your basket with oil and just cut your broccoli heads and put it in the basket. This is also a very quick and easy recipe. Broccoli is also very high in fiber. It helps to keep your gut clean. And one of the basic requirements for losing weight is to have a healthy gut. Just dump everything in the basket. And my kids like carrots, so I'm gonna add these for them. You can use any vegetable of your choice like cabbage or sweet potatoes, peas. You can also add olive oil on top of this. It really improves the flavor. So I usually like my food spicy, so I'm gonna use cayenne pepper. How much to use and what kind of spices to use is completely up to you. It's as per your taste. And this is garlic, onion, black pepper, sea salt. So this has salt in it, so I'm not gonna separately add any salt to this. Having low salt, having spice in your food also helps with weight loss. And this is onion powder. Toss this well, just make sure all the spices are mixed together. So load the basket into your instant pot. Put the air fryer lid on. Set it to air fry, 375, 10 minutes, and start. You can use this exact same recipe with any air fryer. It need not be the instant pot air fryer. The same temperature settings and time go for any air fryer. So this is done. Carefully remove the lid and set it aside. And the vegetables are fried perfectly. So just take them out and put it in your serving bowls. You can also have this as appetizers or dinner when you're on your weight loss routine. And this is a very low calorie, high fiber dinner. It's well done, it's perfect. You can feel the crunchiness of the broccoli. And the spices went in well as well, so it's very flavorful. I hope you give this a try. So carrots add a little sweetness to the palate. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have tried the recipe, please do share the picture to my Instagram handle. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.